So I've been asked the question how to transpose beyond an octave. When we're dealing with these numbers in the pitch window, how can we use them to transpose beyond, say, 12? One of the simplest answers that I could give you is that actually we could use two pitch plugins. So let's say that we have the first pitch plugin is kind of our bass pitch, and this one will be our second pitch, right? So let's say that we want to transpose up an octave, that is 12. But let's say that we also want to transpose it up a fifth. A fifth is 7, right? And then adding the two numbers together, 12 and 7, we end up with 19. So let's go through that process. I've got an operator on the channel here. So this is C, up an octave, up a fifth. And now, changing this to 19, there you have it. Okay, I hope you've got that. It's a kind of a simple process. It's quite logical, and it will work with every number. You know, up an octave plus a semitone equals 13. Semitone, back to 0. So you can use two pitch plugins to sort of help yourself understand. And really what needs to happen at some point is you're able to add two numbers together, 12 plus 7, 19, right? You need to be able to do that. Okay, until next time, remember to like and subscribe.